In this video, I will show you how to flush Cloudflare cache step by step. If your website is not showing recent updates or changes, clearing the cache can help force Cloudflare to load the latest version of your site. This process is quick and easy, so let us get started. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select your website from the list. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the caching section in the menu. Click on it, then find the option that says Purge Cache. This is where you can control how your cached content is cleared. Next, choose how you want to flush the cache. You can select Purge Everything if you want to clear all cached files, or you can choose Custom Purge to clear specific URLs or files. If you only updated certain pages, using the custom option is usually faster and more efficient. Finally, confirm your selection and wait a few moments for Cloudflare to process the request. After that, refresh your website and check if your changes are now visible. If the old version still appears, try clearing your browser cache as well. That is it. You now know how to flush Cloudflare cache and keep your website content up to date.